The world's most amazing construction machines. Hello, and welcome back to Civil Mentors. Today we're going to talk about the world's most amazing construction machines. There is no doubt that the construction industry has some extremely impressively huge and powerful machinery. But regrettably, not many of us get to operate them. But we can admire watching them do all these unbelievable stuff. Monster trucks, mega dozers, and massive cranes are technical marvels that can be seen on construction sites all around the world. Before we begin, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe us and turn on notifications to never miss any update. Number 1. KOMATSU D575A DOZER. The KOMATSU D575A crawler tractor is 3 times the size of a typical vehicle and weighs close to 300,000 pounds. It stands 16 feet tall from track bottom to cab top, surpassing an average-sized man by more than 10 feet. It is 24.3 feet broad by 38.5 feet long with a regular blade attached. Ground material that would take an average human 720 wheelbarrow loads to transport may be cleared in one pass by the 575A's Super Dozer blade, which has a 90 cubic yard capacity. The Super Dozer blade alone weighs 22,000 pounds and is 11 feet tall. The 1,065 horsepower 12-cylinder equipment is now offered in 2 configurations: Bulldozer Ripper and Dedicated Bulldozer. Until Caterpillar debuted the CAT 797 in 1998, Komatsu's 930E2 was considered the world's greatest capacity dump truck. Number 2. P&H L2350 Loader. With a working capacity of 72,574 kilograms, the L2350 wheel loader can center load haulage trucks having payload ratings varying from 320 to 400 plus tons. The L2350 is the most efficient and effective wheel loader in its class, and it is part of the Generation 2 wheel loader range, which is intended to have the most up-to-date safety features that fulfill worldwide criteria recognized by top mining industry safety councils. Because of its strong structural construction and modular components, it has longer operating hours. Because of the power regeneration capability of the SR hybrid drive technology, it gives the lowest possible fuel consumption levels. Number 3. LIEBHERR 9800 Mining Excavator. The LIEBHERR Group, headquartered in Switzerland, is a prominent German equipment company specializing in cranes, aviation components, and mining. It employs 35,333 people, and it's made up of more than 130 enterprises from all around the world. LIEBHERR Crane Firm was the world's largest crane in 2007. LIEBHERR R9800 offers quicker loading cycles, superior crushers, and digging strength. This excavator works well with dump trucks weighing 200 to 300 tons, particularly the largest and most powerful truck, the LIEBHERR T282C. Finally, a portion of this mining excavator is constructed of high-quality, durable materials. Accidents are a possibility in mining operations, not just from natural disasters, but also from huge mining equipment. When compared to competing mining excavators, the LIEBHERR R9800 is intended to provide maximum protection and security for all mine laborers. The top construction, for example, is built to provide access to safe and high stair rails at a specific angle. Furthermore, the R9800 is outfitted with additional service lights, which are strategically placed at each service location. Number 4. CAT 6090 Hydraulic Shovel. The CAT 6090 FS hydraulic shovel is a new hydraulic mining shovel from classic construction models. It is far larger than any other hydraulic shovel offered by Caterpillar and provides a flexible alternative to electric rope shovels. This version, like the machinery it is modeled after, is in a league of its own. In resting position, the 6090 FS stands just over 8 inches tall to the top of the cab, 8 inches wide, and 18 inches long. and is made of die cast in exactly 1:48 scale. A cab door that opens to display the comprehensive operator station with full instrumentation, radiators visible from the side and back of the machine, several maintenance access points, and fully positionable access stairways are just a few of the many things you've come to expect from CCM. You might also want to note that the CAT 6090FS hydraulic front shovel will come in a collector quality packaging with a certificate of authenticity that is personally signed and serial numbered. Number 5. TBM Tunnel Boring Machine. The Jumbo Fair partner sailed from Osaka, Japan on March 19 with Bertha, the giant 5-story machine that will build the SR-99 tunnel beneath Seattle. The trip will take around 2 weeks to cover the Pacific Ocean, which is about 5,000 miles long. Bertha's 475-foot vessel is planned to dock at Seattle's Terminal 46 on the 1st of April. Bertha is so massive that it had to be dismantled into 41 parts before being carried aboard the Fair partner, the biggest component weighing in at almost 900 tons. It was manufactured in Japan by Hitachi Zosen Corporation, but is owned by Seattle Tunnel Partners, the project's contractor for the Washington State Department of Transportation. Number 6. Armstrong BUCYRUS 2570W Walking Dragline. Let's take a closer look at the 2 cabs in the machine house. This dragline has a fascinating history. It began operations in 1971 and is still going strong. It did have an instance where it came dangerously close to falling into the pit. I don't know all the specifics just yet, but I've heard rumors about the event. Armstrong Coal was established in 2006 with the goal of acquiring and developing coal deposits in western Kentucky. Armstrong's objective is to offer bespoke mixed coals to a range of electricity-generating utility firms, having bought about 39,000 acres and 450 million tons of coal. Armstrong generates clean coal from underground and surface mining operations using cutting-edge technology and a skilled management team. Let me tell you that Armstrong's mission is to not only be one of the most dependable coal producers in the region, but also to be totally devoted to the health and safety of its personnel and to become an industry pioneer in attaining award-winning compliance with reclaiming and environmental requirements. Number 7. Bagger 293 Bucket Wheel Excavator. Tackraft's Bagger 293, or known as MAN Tackraft RB293, is a massive bucket wheel big heavy excavator designed, marketed, and produced in Germany. The world's largest terrestrial vehicle, the Bagger 293 is utilized at a brown coal mine in Hambach, Germany. A bucket wheel excavator is a massive mechanism used in lignite mining to operate as a continuous digging machine. A bucket wheel excavator is a huge vehicle used in surface mining operations for continuous overburden removal. Big hydraulic equipment wheeled excavator. Here it is important to note that the Bagger was used to excavate mines. For projects involving heavy-duty wheeled vehicles, heavy mines, mining processes, industrial mill methods, grinding industrial systems, mining business, recycling heavy devices, heavy mining techniques, industrial digging equipment, and heavy transport machines. The Bagger 293 bucket wheel excavator is a high-resolution 3D model that will add authenticity and depth to any rendering project. The model was created in 3ds Max 2014 and rendered with V-Ray. It features a fully textured, complex design that enables close-up renderings. Number 8. BELAZ 75710. The BELAZ 75710 is the biggest mining truck in the world. It has been dubbed the 405 because of the amount of cargo it can transport, which is 405 metric tons. This monster was built by state-owned BELAZ in Zodzina, Belarus, and constructed by Soligorsk. The first truck was transported to the Kuznets Basin in 2013 after it was released back in the year 2013. Its initial task was carrying rocks at a Siberian coal mine, which makes sense given that the 405 was built for open-pit mining and was meant to move loose boulders. It will set you back around $6 million. Nobody can deny that the 405 is a monster. It wasn't built for your neighborhood building projects for sure. Unfortunately, we don't have the type of wheel motors they utilize. We can't help but admire the brilliance and design that went into creating such a modern technical masterpiece. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, smash that like button and share it with your friends. Also, let us know in the comments below if you think there is another machine that should have been added to this list. Thank you for being here. See you in the next video. Until then, peace out.